Look, if you are not good at math, then you're probably not good at word problems, and those are a thing that kind of bothers you. But luckily, for most of the SAT, we're going to have multiple choices. So if you have a word problem and you have multiple answers, then use those to your advantage. Let's guess and check to see how this story works without needing to generate an equation or understand it all at once. We can take it a piece at a time. So what are the answer choices? If we're going to guess and check, we better know what they are. What is the minimum number of hours Ty must walk on that day to fulfill the daily goal? So these are numbers of hours. Typically, when I guess and check, I assume that choice B is correct. There's two reasons for that. One is I just don't like C because that's what everyone else is picking. And I do like B because it's in the middle. So if I'm wrong, I can kind of move up or down. Now, in this case, you might want to go with A first because they specifically ask for a minimum. So I'm okay with that. I'm going to do it anyway. I would still have chosen B here, but let's do A just to play it safe. What is that? That's the number of hours. And what do we know about each hour, right? So Ty set a goal to walk at least 24 kilometers every day to prepare for a multi-day hike. On a certain day, Ty plans to walk at an average speed of 4 kilometers per hour. So every hour he is walking 4 kilometers. So we can take our 4 hours times the 4 kilometers per hour, and we get that he's walking 16 kilometers. So this is how guess and check works, is we're doing arithmetic instead of coming up with an equation. But we wanted 24 kilometers, so this is too low. So let's just try the same exact thing with choice B. Again, 6 is the number of hours. It's still 4 kilometers per hour to walk, and so 6 times 4 is 24, and that does meet our goal because specifically they said at least, right? So if they said more than 24 kilometers, we'd have a problem, but this does the job and gets us to 24. So B is the answer. There are equations you can write here. I think basically what it would be is 4 is the speed, H is the number of hours, and I guess we should do the inequality here, is at least means greater than or equal to 24, and if you divide it by 4, you get H is greater than or equal to 6. So is that easier? Yeah, probably. But if you're dealing with a question like this, it's probably because you're not really strong at math, and so the guess and check gives us an alternative to help us understand something that might confuse us.